Welcome to the table, Roger Peverelli. You're a co-founder of Digital Insurance Agenda. What kind of company is that?
Well, basically what we do is we host a community of about 12,000 people in the insurance industry, as well as 2 conferences. DIA Munich is actually up next October, 17th and 18th, where we'll have like 1,200 people from the insurance industry and 50 insurtechs on stage.
What are the biggest challenges for the insurance business?
Well, basically the same as we have here in industries as general.
Yeah.
Operational excellence on the one hand, but also innovation, and also creating much more customer engagement on the other hand.
Yeah, and if you look at blockchain, where obviously we're now in a bank, the Rabobank hosts this event, and if you look at the insurance companies or the insurance business, are there a lot of similarities?
I would say that in the insurance industry is like a couple of years behind.
Yeah.
For sure, and that's a pity, because I think they got so much in their veins, in their DNA, that would make them much more suitable to adopt blockchain technologies faster than they do.
How is that possible, that they are a few years behind?
Well, that's basically what we see across any technology. They were pretty late in looking at mobile.
Yeah.
They were pretty late in looking at artificial intelligence. So this is actually what they are.
Yeah.
You know, like insurance is all about looking in the rear mirror.
Yeah.
And not so much about looking ahead, looking towards the future. But what we see here is that, in particular, insurance companies are so much used to working with others. And what I've learned today is that in blockchain, creating ecosystems and creating partnerships is really essential to turn this into a success.
Yeah.
And this should be something that, insurance companies are really suited to play that game.
Yeah, they are suited to it. Do you see any projects, any initiatives towards blockchain now from the insurance
far
companies?
less. When I look at what I saw today, I saw so many real use cases. And in insurance, I must say that it's still pretty much in the pilot phase.
Yes.
We actually had one today on stage, Everledger. And actually, Everledger was actually also one of the insurtechs that we featured at one of our previous conferences.
We had her on the table. She's the lady who wants to establish an infrastructure for diamond sales, right?
She doesn't want to. She actually does.
She does.
But that's basically exactly why I think this is a perfect example, because she created this infrastructure, including jewelry houses, the merchants, but also like the mines and even the retailers. But also, for instance, insurance companies, law enforcement agencies like Interpol and Europol.
Yeah.
And she created really this infrastructure which will make it possible that diamond fraud, which is a multi-billion-dollar business,
also for insurance companies, obviously.
Especially for insurance companies, become much less of a hassle.
Yeah.
And also looking at what she does with regard to blood diamonds, identifying them. So she will definitely increase also the social impact and the economic impact of insurers, thanks to what she's doing.
You're going to have this conference in Munich. Is blockchain going to be a big topic in it?
Actually, it's going to be really around what the social and economic impact is for insurers. Basically, what we see is that insurtech, new technologies, but also blockchain, enable people to get on their feet much faster. I really like Tycoon. Like the guys who actually won the award today.
About identity.
Exactly, but basically what they do is, just suppose that you're the victim of a natural disaster, like all those people in St. Martin. They get you on your feet much faster and make you carry on with your life, even though you've experienced a huge disaster than ever before. And I think that's really huge and very significant.
So there's a lot of plans, a lot of theory. When you think things going to be put in practice? The next couple of years?
Well, it depends on a switch that needs to be made. I think that one of the things that I learned today, which I also recognize in insurance, is that a lot of pilots going on, but as also Constantine of Orange said, at some point you need to put it into practice.
Yes.
Pilots are nothing if you don't have the commitment to really execute. And that's also something that is pretty much the state still in insurance. So at some point, they will get it, and then they will make the move.
And you are looking forward to that because...
absolutely. Basically what we're trying to do... Yeah, absolutely. What we're trying to do is do a new DIA, Digital Insurance Agenda event in the course of 2019 that will focus a bit more on blockchain.
Roger Peverelli, you got a beautiful name, and thanks a lot for this conversation.
Thank you very much.